Welcome to Biology, the Science Study of Life. Case study: Sustainable Development in Costa Rica. The success of conservation in Costa Rica has involved leadership by the national government, as well as an essential partnership between the national government, non-government organization (NGOs), and private citizens. For instance, many nature reserves established by individuals have been recognized by the government as a national wildlife reserves and given significant tax benefits. However, conservation and restoration of biodiversity is only one side of sustainable development. The other key facet in improving the human condition. How have the living conditions of the Costa Rica people fared as the country pursued its conservation goals? We can gain insights into conditions through population statistics. Two of the most fundamental indicators of living conditions are infant mortality rate and life expectancy. This diagram shows infant mortality and life expectancy at birth in Costa Rica. Shows that the infant mortality rate in Costa Rica declined sharply during the 20th century and life expectancy at birth increased. In 1930, out of each 1,000 live births, over 170 infants died. By 23, infant mortality had fallen to 10 per 1,000 live births. Meanwhile, life expectancy climbed from just over 35 years in 1991 to over 78 years in 2023, which is approximately 1 year longer than in the United States, where life expectancy in 23 was just over 77 years. Another indicator of living conditions is literacy rate. The 23 literacy rate in Costa Rica was 96% compared to 97% in the United States. Such statistics show that living conditions in Costa Rica have improved greatly over the period in which the country dedicated itself to conservation and restoration. While a correlation does not confirm a cause-effect relationship, we can certainly infer that Costa Rica's conservation initiatives have not compromised human welfare, and we can say that development in Costa Rica has attended to both nature and people. Nevertheless, many problems remain. One of the challenges that the country will have to face is maintaining its commitment to conservation in the face of a growing population. Costa Rica is in the middle of a rapid demographic transition, and even though birth rates are dropping rapidly, its population continues to grow at about 1.5% annually compared to 0.9% growth in the United States. Costa Rica's population, which is currently about 4 million, is predicted to continue to grow until the middle of this century, when it will level of at approximately 6 million. Given their recent history, it seems probably that the Costa Rica people will confront the remaining challenges of sustainable development with the same energy and optimism that they have shown in the past. Biophilia and the future of the biosphere. Despite the uncertainties about the future of the biosphere, now is not the time for gloom and doom, but the time to connect with the rest of nature. Uh, not many people Not many people today live in truly wild environments or even visit such places often.